Namaskar. Today I am going to show you how I transform my masi's old plain white sari into a beautiful hand painted floral sari just in time for a Independence Day. I am going to use fabric paints that are washable and long lasting. You can also use acrylic paints with a fabric medium if any case fabric paints are not available. Last year, I hand painted a silk saree for myself and she is absolutely love it. Since then, she has been wanting one for herself and now we are making her dream saree a reality. She is a teacher and for the 15th August celebration in her school, she wanted something elegant, soft and festive with tiny pink flowers to pair with her contrast pink blouse. For the setup, I use my study table as the painting surface. To keep it clean, I cover it with polythene and secure it with cloth edges at the corners. This way, the polythene stays in place while I paint it and the table remains completely protected from the paint spills. This is a soft georgette plain white saree with a delicate white thread embroidery work. The embroidery gives it an elegant texture. So today we are going to add colors to this, turning it into a vibrant festive piece while keeping its elegance intact. I began with the flowers since she wanted a subtle design. I painted tiny pink plumes scattered across the saree. The key to floral painting is light strokes and even petals. So I am using a small round brush for the fine detailing. To make the flowers pop, I added small green leaves, keeping them tiny so the saree stays delicate and elegant. After completing all flower painting, add some pearls to decorate the saree. In the middle part of flowers, we add some yellow color shading, so now these flowers look so graceful. From an old plain white saree to a hand painted beauty, my masi now has her very own custom piece for Independence Day. She loved it and I am so happy to see my work make her special day brighter. And here it is final look. Tiny pink flowers scatter beautifully across the saree. And yes, you can wash this saree, it's completely washable. I have already shown a short demo in a separate clip, so you can see for yourself how the colors stay bright and intact. At the last, I will show you my next project. If you enjoy this saree makeover, please like, share and subscribe. Comment below and tell me what design should I paint next. And here it is, my next project, a beautiful green shaded saree. So stay tuned for its transformation in my next upcoming video.